Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom message on Facebook Marketplace. So this process is actually quite simple, but make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to simply tap into your Facebook and then just make sure that you're currently logged in into your account. And after doing so, just tap into the marketplace. So on these options on the upper part of your screen, just simply choose on, just tap on to the center icon. So it can be located on the bottom part of your screen also. So just simply tap on it. And after going into the marketplace, just tap into your profile by clicking onto this part right here on the upper part. So just tap into that, and then in here just scroll down until you see the settings on the very bottom of your screen. And then after that, just simply tap into your settings, and after that just simply select the custom or set a custom message on the very bottom part. So just simply tap on it, and then here you can now type a custom message, and then after typing it, just simply click the save button. And that's it. That's how you can create a custom message on Facebook Marketplace. And so I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.